I'm Cobra Murray. I am the Business Development and Acquisitions Executive for RDG.
And I'm Chris Hodges, and I run day-to-day operations and finance.
So here at RDG, our vision statement is stewarding investments to create communities that transform lives. And the way that we do that is fundamentally by providing creative real estate and building solutions in a variety of different ways.
We're not just investors or we're not just builders, but we actually have our own in-house capital that we use to purchase the properties. We have our in-house design team, and then we're actually general contractors, so we do all the construction. So it just really makes it an easier, seamless process from the purchase all the way to the sale.
Our mission of delivering creative real estate and building solutions and our values of being a relationship-centered business and focusing on generosity and stewardship compels us to focus on building relationships in this community that are going to last and making an impact in the place that we call home.